Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both Charge 5 speakers ready and powered. Make sure each has at least 20% battery so they won't shut down mid-process. Once powered, press the power button until you hear the tone and place the speakers close together, about 1 to 2 meters apart, so they can detect each other reliably. Also, make sure other Bluetooth sources are off or out of range. This reduces pairing confusion and speeds up the sync process. You now connect to the first speaker. Open Bluetooth on your phone and pair to the primary Charge 5. Once audio is playing from that speaker, press the Party Boost button on the connected unit to enter pairing mode for multi-speaker sync. Then, press the Party Boost button on the second Charge 5. This tells both units to form a bonded stereo or party pair. Make sure you press Party Boost only after the phone is connected to the primary speaker, otherwise the secondary won't join the session properly. You finish by confirming both speakers are playing together. Check left and right separation if you set stereo, or listen for uniform party audio if you chose that mode. Once done, make sure volume levels are balanced across both units. Adjust on the phone or individually. If pairing fails, restart each speaker and reattempt the exact party boost sequence, because order matters. If problems persist, update firmware through the JBL app. Firmware fixes often resolve stability and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.